Hello, this is Handy Granny, and I'm going to teach you how to make 1/4 inch elastic substitutes out of old t-shirts. They look like this. They've got some spring to them. They're not as springy as regular elastic, obviously, but you don't really need that behind the ear because if it's too tight, it's going to be uncomfortable anyway. These are soft, comfortable, and easy to make. So you take an old t-shirt like this. This one's pretty well cut up, and I'm going to cut a strip about 1 inch wide. I'm not measuring it, it's not important. And I would cut all the way around, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to. To replace a 7-inch piece of elastic, I cut it down to about 6 inches. It's a little over, but it doesn't matter. And here's the big secret. You just go like this, and you just pull it, and all of a sudden it turns into a really soft loop that ties and unties easily. It's pretty comfortable. And then to replace a 7-inch piece of elastic for a mask, I've been just cutting this off at 7 inches. What I've been doing with my masks is putting a loop on one side and then putting 2 ties on the other side, and that way you get the ease of having a loop and the adjustability of having a tie without having the problem of ties on each side, which can be a bit of a problem. You can also make longer ones, like this mask can be tied behind the head because it's got longer stretchy guys here, and you would just tie these behind your head. So as I said, this is really easy, simple, and the materials are pretty much free. So enjoy and happy mask making.